Welcome back in, folks. Isaiah House is in the house, and they're here to discuss their annual Luminary Ball. It's this Saturday, 6 to 8 at Embassy Suites, NEWTOWN Pike. Good problem to have. They're sold out, but there are awesome, awesome ways that you can support. And they have a very important mission to support, faith-based addiction treatment. They're restoring lives, but it takes a village, as we know. And this wonderful event is a great way to help. So with us today, Kara Ball and Abbey Rogers from Isaiah House. Ladies, good to see you both. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Not an easy feat putting together a ball, but it's for a great cause. Yeah. So let's talk about the mission of Isaiah House first and foremost.
Yeah, so we're the state's largest nonprofit addiction treatment facility, and we have unfortunately been cut $16 million this year.
Wow.
Yeah, so the Luminary Ball is our largest fundraiser of the year, and so we need the community's help.
Okay, so not to put too fine a point on this, but without events, fundraising events like this ball, I mean, we just can't get to the finish line on the mission. Is that correct?
Yep. So we want to be able to provide as much financial resources as we can to individuals who can't afford treatment, and we want to be able to provide long-term treatment for them. So yeah, we need all the help we can get.
Okay, well, the fact that you're sold out for the ball itself is a great problem to have, and it shows it's a hot ticket.
That's
so
right.
Folks need to put this on their radar for next year. But there are events built into this that folks can still participate in, and this is a perfect way to help support this mission.
Yeah.
So can you guys walk me through a couple ways that we can do this?
Our silent auction is online, so anyone anywhere in the world can bid on our amazing items that we have up for auction. We have signed UK memorabilia, exclusive trips you can go on, so you don't need to be in attendance to bid on these items.
Okay, I love that. So I can be on my private island somewhere.
That's exactly right.
And just make sure that I'm taking care of my folks back home here in Lexington.
Exactly.
This is great. Okay, so give me an idea of what kind of items we're going to see in this auction.
Yeah, so we have a signed basketball by Trent Noah. We have, that's going to be a hot ticket item.
Yeah.
We have a trip to Florida, a deep sea fishing trip.
Nice.
We have a beautiful, large, pencil sketched face of Jesus. It is incredible, framed in gold. We have Jeff Shepard and Reed Shepard signed basketballs. You also can win a sports trip to see any professional team that you want to see. So I personally would want to go see Reed Shepard. That's just me.
That's right.
We have all kinds of boutique items. Sheila Bays graciously donated a diamond necklace. Yeah, so we've got some really exciting things.
Oh, this is great.
Yeah.
And the community's very aware of how important this work is that you all do. For folks that want to learn more about the nonprofit and find ways to get involved, what's our best resource for them?
Our website, it's isaiah-house.org. And if you want to donate, it's the same, isaiah-house.org/donate. And our admissions line, if you or someone you love is seeking treatment, our phone number is 859-375-9200.
Very good. We're looking at some lives being changed right here on the screen. And ball aside and fundraisers aside, is there just a way for folks to help get involved in fighting this good fight with you all?
Yeah, absolutely. Like Abby said, you can go to our website. We're always needing volunteers, especially during this time of the year going into the cold season. We are always looking for warm weather clothes. Lots of times our folks come in and they are homeless. They literally have nothing but the clothes on their backs. So we're always looking for monetary donations as well as clothing, socks, shoes, undergarments, coats are a big need. And you can call the number or visit the website to find out more information.
Wow. Well, I'm sorry to hear about that funding. That's a hard thing to come back from. But we're in a good town and a great community here. And I know folks are going to rally forward to help you guys continue this amazing work. So thank you both and the whole team for what y'all do.
We have a great team.
Come back and see us too.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Good to see you.
We appreciate it.
Thank you.
We're back after this. Stick around.
ABC 36 Community Spotlight is brought to you by CHI St. Joseph Health, caring for our community with human kindness.